Hello guys, now we will discuss very important topic as what is the difference between DCS, PLC and SCADA. These are definitely different things, that's why they are termed as differently. So first of all we will see the difference between DCS and a PLC. One basic difference between DCS and PLC architecture involves how redundancy is handled. Normally, PLC is sit at some batch processes where are certain repetitive tasks, whereas in a DCS we have redundant controllers. Please note that redundancy is a very important property, which if one controller fails, the second controller comes into operation and the process remains uninterrupted. It is very difficult for the two PLCs to make them as redundant controllers. However, we can achieve this, but this is a built-in feature, normally a built-in feature in DCS. Further, the DCS have been used in process industries such as oil and gas production, transport, chemical processes, etc., whereas the PLCs have been used in discrete industries such as automotive, electronic assembly and bottling facilities. The other important property is that the architecture in a PLC, we have a separate program, we have separate software for programming a PLC, and we would need a separate HMI, and then we need to establish a communication between DCS and a PLC. So that involves a lot of work, whereas in a DCS we have a compact solution, a compact communication. We have one software from which we can configure it very easily. Its software is also very easy to use as compared to the PLC. So in DCS, another major difference is the number of IOs. If we have small number of IOs, then we will go for the PLC, and if we have a greater number of IOs, we will go for the DCS. So that's where the major differences between a DCS and a PLC. Now we will see what is the difference between the DCS and SCADA. Actually, the basic difference is due to the architecture. In a DCS we have the redundant controllers and a communication. I have explained the DCS architecture in my video. Kindly see this video to make your concept clear. And the architecture of SCADA is entirely different. It's in terms of MTU and RTU. We have a master terminal unit at the control room, and we have various remote terminal units which are geographically dispersed at various locations. Some are wireless and some are wired, and there is a master slave type of architecture. So this architecture, we say this is a SCADA system. So basic difference is the system architecture. Furthermore, DCS is process oriented and it treats the control of the process at its main task. It presents data to the operator as part of its function, whereas for the SCADA system, kindly go through my video of the SCADA system basics. In a SCADA system, the SCADA function is a supervisory type of function, and the machine is controlled by the RTUs, and for the RTUs we usually use PLCs. So for the RTUs, why we use PLCs? There are certain advantages. We use PLCs as the RTU due to these benefits: economic solution, versatile, flexible, ease of design, reliability, and easier troubleshooting. So nowadays we also have the hybrid system, very advanced PLCs which can perform both functions like batch process and process plants. So nowadays hybrid systems are also being used. So hope this video clears your understanding what's the difference between a PLC and a DCS and SCADA. So thank you very much for listening.